Welcome to our channel. If you want to report a lost driver license to the DMV, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect yourself from identity theft and get a replacement. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website immediately after discovering your license is lost to begin the reporting process. Step 2. Look for the section about lost or stolen driver licenses, usually found under Driver Services or License Replacement. Step 3. File a police report if you suspect your license was stolen rather than simply lost, as this provides additional protection against identity theft. Step 4. Complete the online report form, or note down the information needed if you'll be reporting in person, including your license number, full name, date of birth, and address. Step 5. Pay the replacement fee online using a credit card or debit card. The fee varies by state, but typically ranges from $10 to $30. Step 6. Schedule an appointment at your local DMV office if your state requires an in-person visit for replacement, or complete the entire process online if available in your state. Step 7. Bring required documents to the DMV if visiting in person, including proof of identity, social security number, and residency such as utility bills or bank statements. Step 8. Receive your temporary license immediately, or wait for your permanent replacement license to arrive by mail within 7 to 15 business days depending on your state, and monitor your credit reports for any suspicious activity, since identity theft is a concern with lost IDs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.